Smell that? It's kind of the whiff of economic improvement in the wind, and it was underscored by the Small Business Scorecard. That's the record that assesses such things as hiring and payroll and optimism among tens of thousands of small businesses. Michael Alter is president and CEO of SurePayroll. That's the outfit that collects all this data. Okay, the latest monthly numbers are out, and I want to talk to you about what they mean today and looking ahead through the third quarter, that is through the summer. They don't look very optimistic because most of the key indicators are down.
Right. No, I think it's a tale of two periods in time. Today, they really aren't that great. They're bouncing along the bottom, down 0.1.
What does the number say?
The hiring index is down 0.1 month over month. The pay index is down 0.1 month over month. So really, basically flat. But the good news, or I think the positive thing, is that we're starting to see some momentum. And we're seeing momentum in the optimism or the belief among small business owners that the future is better than it is today.
Now, it was 70-something% last month. What was it for June?
73% are optimistic about the future. Over 1 in 2 believe that the third quarter, which we're in right now, is going to exceed their expectations in terms of performance. And so when you start to see optimism among small business owners about the future, that's when they're going to start to hire, because they're going to have this gut feel that the world is going to get better, and they're going to take a little more risk. They're going to add another delivery truck. They might take that second store and open it. And so I think you're going to start to see a little bit more growth. And so I'm hopeful as we turn the corner solidly into the end of the third quarter and into the fourth quarter that we might start to see a little more pickup than we've seen, at least if optimism is any predictor.
Now, you talked about they're expecting the third quarter to exceed expectations. What did the second quarter do?
So the second quarter, for about 80+% of small business owners, it met or exceeded their expectations. So again, we've got some momentum as we move here into the third quarter and into the fourth quarter. We still have some concerns and some uncertainty around some of the implications of the global economy, what's going on in Europe, some of the other things that we're seeing in terms of healthcare reform and how that's going to play out. But if those things continue to sort of play as they have, I'm hopeful this optimism is going to turn into jobs.
And we need to perhaps reinforce the fact that it's important, because what small businesses do really influence tremendously the economy overall.
Absolutely. Small businesses account for half of the workforce,
all right,
and 98% of all businesses.
Michael Alter from SurePayroll. Thanks again.
Thank you.